this video, I'm going to talk about Zarzou. One of the products I'm going to review is repairing and soothing serum. For those people who don't know, Zarzou is one of top local products. First of all, let's talk about the packaging. As you can see, or it looks, it looks really fancy. Like, wow, I love it. I love the packaging. And a lot of ceramics, as you can see, you just need to open it at the top, right? But Zarzou, like this. Ta-da! I really love the packaging. And as you can see, in the box, it has the sponge. As you can see, it has sponge that keep the serum in such a box safe. I know that most of us really like to make text online, right? So when we post it, the serum and the slots is really safe. That's why when I take out this serum, you can see the shape like a sponge, and it really fits the serum like this. You just need to it really says like I put it upside down, it don't drop. Like, wow! Actually, I'm using it almost a month. After this, I'm going to show you my before skin and my after skin after using this serum. First of all, I thought that I need to open up the dates. Like you can see the box is actually open because I'm trying to open it like it's just stuck and they don't want me to use it or what? I see the top at the bottom. You can see the addition like this, like you can open it. Okay, like ta-da! You can open it. Wow, it's really amazing. It's really fancy. And price is everyone can buy it. It's not expensive at all. It's around 15 ringgit for one sheet. Now let's talk about the ingredients. Zarzou Repairing and Soothing Serum, which is RSS, is a lightweight serum that formulates with circular extract to soothe acne and calm redness by providing a long-lasting hydration with hyaluronic acid and vitamin. This serum also was blended with niacinamide and rosehip oil. It is a great choice to boost skin barrier function for a healthier looking skin. Now we are on the section which is I want to tell you about my experience using Zarzou Repairing and Soothing Serum. I'm going to show you my before skin over here. Thank you. As you can see, there are a lot of tiny bumps on my forehead. I think it's because hygiene does. I don't know why, because in the time it does keep a lot of tiny bumps. And I saw a lot of people giving feedback about this serum that can reduce the acne on their skin, and my friends also suggested me to use it, and I tried it. What surprised me is just in 2 weeks I got this skin, like wow, and I started to fall in love with Zarzou serum. Like, how? Just in 2 weeks you got this height of skin. Like you can see on this video, I'm gonna show you this look. You can see just in a month I got this. Like, how? I really love it. And that's all for me, the review about Zarzou Repairing and Soothing Serum. Thank you for watching. Bye.